Sana iligtas mo kami sa pamamasada namin.
Riding a jeepney in the Philippines, you will be accustomed to seeing a hanging rosary in the rear-view mirror of the jeepney. Sometimes, the image of the Santo Niño or the image of the Virgin Mary is displayed on the vehicle's dashboard. Why is this devotion to religious items in jeepneys? Talking to some of the jeepney drivers about the display of rosaries and religious items inside of their jeepneys, the first reason they give is for protection against evil. Why the rosary in jeepneys?
Bakit yung iba hindi rin naniniwala. Pero yung mga Katoliko, para pang kinuha namin, bigtas din sa amin yan. Bago nagdadasal, bago umalis, gano'n. Sana iligtas mo kami sa pamamasada namin. Nagkuha kami, nagkukus mo ng ganyan. Ito, kaligtasan sa biyahe natin. Parang ano lang. Pag dumadaan kami ng simbahan, hinahawakan namin, tapos nagdadasal kami. Parang ganun lang.
All these show how much the ordinary Filipino expresses their faith. The display of rosaries and other religious items in jeepneys and cars in the Philippines is no exception. It is truly an expression of faith in which the ordinary Filipino feels that God protects them against evil and gives good health. Seeing the significance of this expression of faith, Filipinos resolve to pass it on from generation to generation.